The world watched in awe as an AI lawyer took center stage at the Supreme Court. This unprecedented event drew attention from every corner of the globe as people tuned in to witness history in the making. The courtroom was abuzz with anticipation and the atmosphere was electric. This was no sci-fi movie, it was reality. The AI lawyer, a marvel of modern technology, stood confidently, ready to present its case. The audience, a mix of legal professionals, tech enthusiasts, and curious onlookers, watched with bated breath. And the AI lawyer didn't just argue a case, it won. The judges, initially skeptical, were soon swayed by the AI's precise arguments and flawless logic. The courtroom erupted in applause as the verdict was announced. This victory sent shockwaves through the legal profession. Traditional lawyers who had long dominated the field found themselves at a crossroads. The news spread like wildfire, making headlines around the world. It marked a new era, one where AI's role in law was forever changed. The handshake between the AI lawyer and its human counterpart symbolized a new partnership, a blending of human intuition and machine precision. This wasn't about replacing human lawyers. It was about creating a synergy that could elevate the practice of law to new heights. Human lawyers began to see the potential benefits of working alongside AI. It was about expanding the possibilities of law. AI could handle vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and provide insights that were previously unimaginable. This allowed human lawyers to focus on strategy, creativity, and empathy. AI offered a new tool, a way to enhance legal services and make them more accessible. People from all walks of life could now access legal advice and services with unprecedented ease and efficiency. The Supreme Court win was a powerful testament to this potential. It was a moment that would be remembered for generations, a turning point that showcased the incredible possibilities when technology and human ingenuity come together. The case itself was complex. It involved a dispute over intellectual property rights in the digital age. The nuances were many, the arguments intricate. Yet, the AI lawyer navigated the complexities with remarkable precision.
It analyzed vast amounts of data, identifying relevant precedents and constructing compelling arguments.
Human lawyers watched, some with admiration, others with apprehension. The AI's victory wasn't just about the case, it was about the future of their profession. The legal field was already changing. AI was being used for research, document review, and even contract analysis. But the Supreme Court win brought these changes into sharp focus.
Law firms began to see AI not just as a helpful tool, but as a potential game changer. The ability to process information at lightning speed, to identify patterns and connections that humans might miss. This was the power of AI.